Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be going in depth into my advanced anti-aging evening skincare routine. Since a lot of you have been asking about this, I thought it would be a really good time to just go over things and try and explain how an advanced skincare routine can be incredibly minimalistic as long as you have the correct products. So in this video, you're going to see my evening routine and I'm going to talk you through everything. So let's make a start. So what I do in the evening is I use Dermatica, which is prescription strength tretinoin. And Dermatica is a subscription-based company. So each month you get sent a month's worth supply of tretinoin. And it is an incredible product. And it's worth noting here in this video, as I've mentioned over and over again, that tretinoin prescription strength is infinitely more powerful, more beneficial than any over-the-counter product that you could ever buy. Even at its lowest strength, you're getting so much more power than any over-the-counter product. And that's something to bear in mind when you're starting with this treatment, because this treatment is for today and tomorrow and next year and in 10 years. And that's how I look at it. I look at it that this is what I do in the evening that's going to have the biggest results on how my skin looks today, tomorrow, and in the future. Now, Dermatica is very easy to work with, and it requires the minimal amount of products. You just need the prescription product and a moisturizer. It's that simple. That is your evening routine. Now, I'm going to go through a more tailored approach to how to build up using it and how you can get the best benefits from it. Now, I started off at the lowest strength, the prescription strength, the lowest strength though, and I built up to what I'm now on, which is the current highest strength that they do, which is 0.1%. Now, you always want to start at the lower end, and I know that a lot of people want to jump in with a prescription product and go right to the highest point, and it doesn't work like that, because with prescription strength products, you want to start low and gradually build. It's this beautiful curve, and it's not a race that has to happen quickly, but you're still going to get incredible benefits. The benefits aren't suddenly even if infinitively better when you're right at the top strength. They start from the bottom and they work up, and it's a beautiful process. But it is a process, and one that needs to be respected, because with prescription strength products come side effects. And with tretinoin use, the side effects can be red skin, irritated skin, and dry, flaky skin. And there is this misconception that you should have those side effects. And if you have those side effects, then somehow it's working. And that is not the case. You can minimize those side effects, and in some cases have no side effects at all. And that is what you want. You do not want a side effect from the product at all. So let's jump into how to use this product and how to best keep using it with longevity. Now, the way to use this product is to wash your face. Wash your face, make sure it's clean, and then wait at least 20 minutes. Your skin must be dry. It's very important that your skin is dry, because this will help to minimize any irritation. Now, apply 1 to 2 pumps of the product and apply it directly to dry skin, massage it in lightly, and that's it. Now, that is version 1, but most people will need a buffer. And what I mean by that is they will need a moisturizer. So the easiest way is to think about it. You can apply a moisturizer either before or after, or both, depending on how sensitive you think your skin is. And then apply the Dermatica. It's that simple. Moisturizer, Dermatica, or Dermatica, moisturizer, or both. Doesn't matter. But by doing it, you are minimizing any side effects that you may get. And you're also just allowing, with the moisturizer, you're allowing there to be slightly more a buffer from this prescription strength product, so that it's not going to be quite so harsh, but you'll still get incredible benefits, I promise. Now, it's worth noting that if you do experience side effects, don't stop. One of the worst things you can do is just to stop treatment. What you want to do is just back off. So instead of, especially in the early days, instead of applying it every single night, throughout the week, apply it 3 days a week or 2 days a week. It's better to build up slowly. I cannot stress this enough. Build up your days as you go along. And with Dermatica, you can always pause a subscription. So if you are going to be using it 2 or 3 nights a week, you can pause your prescription so that you are only getting the product when you really need it, which is a great way. And that's what's so good about this company as well, is that you're able to pause things and put things on hold and then jump right back in. But if you are experiencing side effects, just back off slightly, couple of days a week, and restart. Now, another thing to mention is on the nights that you're using Dermatica, that you're using the prescription strength tretinoin, don't use anything else other than a moisturizer. No peels, no serums, no glycolics, no acids, do nothing. Tretinoin will work best when left alone. You do not want to irritate the skin with any other actives. It's very important. I do not do that kind of stuff. And when I do, I instantly regret it because I instantly will find that my skin starts to react. When it hasn't reacted at all, it suddenly will when I introduce something into it that really doesn't belong there, because this product is strong enough to deal with all of the things that I need it to deal with. Now, what tretinoin can deal with is acne, blemishes, breakouts, melasma, hyperpigmentation. It is the gold standard anti-aging product. It is scientifically proven, and that's why it works, and that's why it's on prescription. Now, we've talked about some tips with moisturizer and allowing that to be a buffer, but here is a really, really good way of starting out the treatment, which is contact therapy, which is you apply the product directly to your skin, you leave it for 60 minutes, you wash it off. Now, people think that they're not going to get any benefit from that. You will get massive benefits from that. In fact, that is how I started the treatment. I started by applying it 3 days a week, leaving it on for 60 minutes, not 60 seconds, 60 minutes, leaving it on, washing it off, applying some moisturizer. That's how I started, because my skin was quite sensitive and is quite sensitive and reacts quite easily. And that's how I built up a tolerance until I was doing it 7 nights a week and rinsing it off. And then I was doing it 2 nights a week, leaving it on, and the other remaining nights I was rinsing it off. And I built up this beautiful curve until I was at that point where I was consistently using it overnight. And that's where you want to be. Now, Dermatica is a subscription-based company. They ship to the UK and the US, and all the information on everything that I've just spoken about is in the description bar below. So you can check it all out. But for me, as somebody that's used Dermatica now for years, and you know that I have because I've spoken about it over and over again, it's a product that I believe in. It's a company that I believe in, because you're able to reach out to them anytime you have an issue or a problem. They're right there. And with me and my skincare, I use 0.1% tretinoin, and it also is mixed with niacinamide because I have very large pores. And those two work really well together. They work synergistically together to give you the best results that you could possibly get, because I'm still dealing at 42 with breakouts, and I'm also dealing with other things that I don't necessarily want to be dealing with as my skin gets older: pigmentation, wrinkles, all of those joyful things that come along as you get older. This product helps with those. And that's why I'm so passionate about it. And that's why I'm passionate about having a skincare routine that is really simple, because you can have a very simple routine, a couple of products, and get exceptional results without having to spend hundreds and hundreds of pounds on all these other products that claim to give you hope, and then they really return very little. And we've all been there. We've all seen the products that offer so much hype, but when we try them ourselves, we fail to get the results we want. Results here will happen. They don't happen instantly, but they happen, and they're scientifically proven to happen. And that's what you need. You don't need some study that's paid for by the company. What you need is pure scientific facts. This product will work for acne. It will work for wrinkles. It will work for hyperpigmentation. It will work for you. You just need to give it a go. And being consistent really is the key to this. And I'm consistent. I use it every single night. And I have done for a very, very long time now. And I think I look all right. I'm 42, as I mentioned, and when my face is still, which means it's not moving like it is now, I don't have any visible wrinkles. But when I speak and I smile and I move, my skin creases, it will do. But I think I look all right. And I do put a lot of that down to using a prescription strength product. In the daytime, I use sunscreen. That's it. It's that simple, that my life is made simpler by knowing that I don't have to do multiple steps of anything. One product that really works, sunscreen in the day, and you're done. I know, it's very, very simple, but it works. Again, all the information is down in the description bar. Hope you found this useful, and I hope you found this an honest and detailed approach to a very simplistic but complicated product. Because give it a go, it really does work, and it has worked for me, and it's worked for millions of people that have tried it. So give it a go. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.